If you are taking glucophage, which is the trade name for metformin, you have to watch this video. And if you know any other person who takes glucophage, you have to share this video with them because this video has crucial information for your health. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and today I'll tell you something about glucophage that you did not know previously. And if you knew previously, do let me know in the comment section below. Basically, glucophage is a trade name for metformin, and metformin is a chemical that is given to type 2 diabetic patients and even pre-diabetics or people with PCOS in an attempt to reduce their insulin resistance. The thing is, metformin is a chemical and it acts by decreasing the gluconeogenesis by the liver. That is to say, in simple words, it decreases the production of sugar by the liver. And so it improves the insulin receptivity of the liver cells. But the thing is, like any other chemical, it has its own side effects. For example, you must have seen the box warning on the box of glucophage or metformin. It says that it can cause lactoacidosis. That is to say, it increases the amount of this acid in your body. And it is very harmful if you have a liver disease or a kidney disease. And that's why people with kidney disease or liver disease, first of all, cannot have metformin. Secondly, if you are taking metformin for a prolonged period of time, you are at a great risk of developing problems with your liver or your kidney. Secondly, it also decreases B12 and folate. And these two vitamins are very important. And that is why 90% of the patients coming to me in my clinic taking glucophage are suffering from bone pains or nerve pains, because folate is very crucial for nerve development and B12 is very much needed by the muscles of your body. And in case you are taking glucophage because you want to get pregnant and you are suffering from PCOS and you want to reverse PCOS, now it is ultra dangerous because, as you know, folate is a vitamin that is needed by the baby to develop its nervous system. And I've made a complete video on which vitamins are necessary for a pregnant lady so that the baby becomes smart and healthy. If you want to watch that video and many other useful videos, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so that you are notified with all the wonderful videos that I upload for you. Anyway, glucophage has a major side effect of decreasing folate and B12, which is not good at all. So what should we do? And for this reason, I opt for the very natural alternative, that is berberine. Berberine is basically a natural alkaloid and it is found in many plants, especially in the barberry tree and the golden seal tree. And the thing is, just like with all other natural things, these things do not have side effects, they have side benefits. Berberine also improves the insulin resistance just like metformin, and it also decreases your sugar levels just like metformin. But the thing is, mechanism of action is different because berberine does this by activating an enzyme called AMPK. That is to say, it makes the muscle utilize more and more glucose, which is a very good thing if you think about it. And the efficacy of berberine to reduce the blood sugar levels, improve insulin resistance, and reduce weight is similar to metformin, which is proven by all the researchers. I'll attach the links to all these researches in the description box below. Just like metformin had side effects, berberine has side benefits, just like all natural things. And that's why I try to give my patients everything natural because it has less side effects and more side benefits. For example, if you are taking berberine, it will also control your cholesterol levels, it will also improve your digestion, and it will also control your blood pressure. This metformin is rapidly acting. So if you want your blood sugar levels controlled within days, not worried about the side effect profile, metformin is for you. But if you have to take a medicine for a long term, berberine is the thing for you because berberine has less side effects plus more side benefits. But its onset of action is slow. So let me know in the comment section below which of these two medicines will you opt for. If you were using glucophage, were you told about the B12 and the folate deficiencies and were you taking supplements for it? If you want to control your blood sugar levels without any medicines, metformin or berberine, you have to follow a low carb diet. And if you want to get rid of your insulin resistance and control your blood sugar levels without any medicines, metformin or berberine, have to stop snacking and start following the low carb diet. Do subscribe to our channel if you want wonderful, tasty, low carb recipes that you can use in everyday life. We'll meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.